Hey guys, today's video we're going to be going over the advanced sales module within Cin7 Systems. Now I've already covered or made a video going over the simple sales module, and that should already be on our channel. The advanced sales module, however, is slightly different, similar to the advanced purchase order, which we should again also have a video on the channel around that. But in order to access the advanced sales order, all you're going to want to do is head to the sales module within Cin7. Now, as you can see here, I am on the Cin7 dashboard on our test account. So to get to the advanced sale again, all you're going to want to do is click sale, and then here from new you can click advanced sale. You can convert a normal simple sale into an advanced sale, however you can't revert it back to a simple sale afterwards. Now on the screen here is an advanced sale. All I'm going to do is pick a customer. For this example, we're just going to pick a Bayside Club, and then I'm going to select a ship by date, and all the other details should be correct. Now if I scroll down here, we're just going to pick the line items and the products that we're going to sell. For this example, I'm only going to use 2, and we're going to sell this product here and this product here. And we're going to pick a big quantity of 20, and for this one let's just say 15, and we're going to give it a price, and we're going to authorize this sales order and allocate the stock. Now from here, just like the normal sales order, we're going to click you can print anything or email it out of the system. But if we scroll up here, there are 2 different ways to go about this. You can do the fulfillment side first or the invoice side first. For this example, I'm just going to generate the invoice first. And if I click that little plus button here, we've now generated a new invoice. And then I'm just going to click here to invoice the remaining. And from here, I'm going to invoice the actual amount that we're going to be sending to the customer. So for this example, we're going to send 10 of those and 5 of these. And currently we don't have any fulfillments to link this invoice to, but however, if you did do the fulfillment side first, then you can click this drop down here and select the fulfillment stage that you want to link this invoice to. Once we're happy with this invoice, however, we just want to authorize it. And from here, we can now add a fulfillment, and we're going to pick the remaining. And again, we just want to make sure that we're picking the right amount for the invoice. So now that I've selected the invoice that it's assigned to and then picked the remaining again, it's now corrected it to the quantity of 10 and the quantity of 5 for the right items. And once we're happy with this fulfillment stage on the picking side, we can just authorize this. Now if we scroll back up, we now have access to the packing stage, where we can copy the amounts from the picking stage. And then the last and final step of this fulfillment is the ship. So for here, we're just going to autofill to individual packages, and we're going to authorize this once we're happy. So now that that's been done, the customer has now been invoiced and fulfilled half of their order, or not necessarily half, or however much you decided to. We can now add a second invoice or second fulfillment stage, and you can add as many invoice and fulfillment stages as needed. For this example, we're only going to do 2, and all I'm going to do is click the invoice from remaining, and now we're left with the 10 of both items that are still left to be invoiced for. So all we're going to do is authorize this. And then we're going to add another fulfillment stage. Again, we're at the pick stage. We're going to click down from the drop down. We're going to click the right invoice, which is 216, 10 of each item, and then we're going to authorize these stages again. So that's the picking stage. To the pack, authorize this. To the ship, and authorize that. From here, now that everything has been fulfilled and everything has been invoiced, the entire order, all we need to do is click the this little drop down next to the sales order reference and mark the entire order as fulfilled. And that basically means that you're done with this advanced sales order and that the whole order has been fulfilled and shipped to the customer. Now, if you do need to order or authorize a credit note and a restock, you can do so on the down here underneath the payments tab, and you can also add any attachments and activity logs, just like a normal simple sale. So guys, that about covers it for this video. If you do have any questions, leave a comment down below, and if you do want to see the advanced purchase order video, feel free to look on our channel, as I believe that should already be up. Thanks for watching.